fun in the park. Running in the park. Today is Thursday. Tom and Ben are running in the park. They run in the park on Thursdays and Saturdays. Tom likes running in the park, but Ben does not like running. Ben wants to go home and play with his toys. The park is very beautiful. There are many things to see in the park. There are many tall trees and beautiful flowers. There is a big brown bench on the green grass. Ben sits on the bench when he is tired. Today is a hot and sunny day. The sky is blue and there are no gray clouds in the sky. Sometimes Tom and Ben see birds flying in the sky when they are running in the park. There are no birds flying in the sky now.